newest wingless wonder from the draft boards of U.S. aviation experts. It looks like an animated bug or a flying flounder. But from such radical designs as this come the airplanes of tomorrow. The inventor claimed 130 horsepower motor gets some 25% more speed in the wingless plane than in a model of conventional design. But will it fly? Here's the answer. A perfect takeoff and capable of making 3 miles a minute. Some bug. Air-minded America organizes its civilian pilots for patrol duty out over the vast open spaces of the West. Taking off on regular scheduled flights, they range the skyways, keeping an eagle eye on the lookout for trouble. There, down below, a plane that's crashed. By two-way radio, the patrol flashes the location of the wreck. Headquarters relays the message to a mounted unit, and in a matter of minutes, a fully equipped rescue party is on the way. Reaching the scene more quickly because of the air patrol, they're able to rush the injured pilot to a hospital. A dramatic example of how civilian pilots are helping America's war effort. And here's the U.S. Navy's bomber, the Boeing Sea Ranger, sister ship of the Army's famous Flying Fortress. Taking to the water for its first test flight, Sea Ranger is said to be the heaviest armed and armored ship aloft. Its cruising range is a Navy secret, but it'll carry a bigger bomb load a greater distance than any plane in service. Wings over America, guarding the highways and the skyways.